The first step in construction is to place the ISOPOD on top of the stretcher and unroll the unit so it spans the length of the stretcher. Secure the pod to the stretcher using the straps and set the spines aside for later use. Next, attach the intake and output filters at the head and foot of the ISOPOD and add filter protectors once they are secured in place. Connect the flexible arches and secure them over the ISOPOD using the spines. Then, connect the blower unit to the hose and attach it to the pod. Once the blower is fastened in place, remove the protective covers and test the battery and airflow. Check the integrity of the arches and spines before raising the vinyl sides and zipping the unit closed from foot to head. Tie off the access ports at the top and bottom of the unit. Once the unit is secured, turn on the blower unit and HEPA filter to initiate negative pressure airflow through the unit. Once the ISOPOD is constructed, it must be prepared for patient use. Providers should always follow the manufacturer's instructions and guidelines for ISOPOD construction and use.